Good afternoon, this is Colton with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital roof inspection here for a home that's in transition from owners, and we like to do these inspections to bring to light the current condition of the roof and outline any concerns or recommended actions. We like to start here on the edge of the roof called the eave and outline the wood. If there's any wood repair during a roof replacement project, we replace it. There is some slight rot that occurs on this fascia board going down. And the eave consists of your rafters, your shiplap, and then your fascia board. Very common in a roof replacement project to replace any bad wood that is termite damage or water damage or whatnot. This roof is missing a drip edge, so there is no metal drip edge flashing that's coming down right here. It transitions water off the roof, and additionally, we have 3 layers of roofing material on this roof, so it's exceeding building code for roofing. By code, you can only have 2 layers, so there is a structural worry about the weight of this roof, especially on the edge of the roof. Definitely a concern there. And then the type of roof is a composite asphalt shingle. It is specifically a 3-tab asphalt shingle. What happens to a roof over time is the sun basically evaporates the oils out of the shingle, and you get a bunch of heavy granule loss. There's been some shingles that have actually blown off, and look at, they actually use staples to adhere these shingles, which now you need to be using roofing nails. The roof itself is in very urgent condition to be replaced. There's heavy granule loss, there's heavy shingles missing throughout the roof. Shingles blown off with the exposed nails over the garage right here. The granule loss you can kind of see is the shiny part right there. Another shingle missing right here. All these are entry points for water to get into the roof. There's been repairs done near the ridge line where it wasn't an extensive repair. They kind of just, picked up a shingle from Home Depot and nailed it into place. But there's still exposed nails, exposed staples all around this roof. The flashings and the mastic have all started to crack where water can enter in. The south side that gets most of the sun exposure is, basically all fiberglass at this point. It's not, all the granules have basically sloughed off, and you can see the amount of repairs that have been done on this ridge. You got shingles missing all over the roof where we have exposure with nails, where water can easily get in. Right here, right here. Chimneys are super sensitive areas. There's been a little repair right here. But the counter flashing needs to be redone and brought up higher. You can see easy entry point for water right here. Definitely a source of a leak point. Remove this satellite dish if it's not being used. This is as the bolts create an easy way for water to get in. The shingle integrity is very loose. This can easily be blown off. And then you have exposed nails all along the ridge caps. By code, we have too many layers, we have too many repairs, we have shingles getting blown off. This is urgently need to be replaced. It's at the end of its serviceable life. This roof is leaking in multiple sections. We definitely need to replace this and get it back to a nice cool rated shingle. The neighbor's roof right here is a good example. You have good ventilation intake right here. You have a nice architectural asphalt shingle. Ventilation right here for the attic. You got new penetration flashing. So this is all going to be the recommended action. This roof has been limped along for a while, and it's time to be replaced. There's no other option. There's no repairs that can be done. We just have to do it the right way. Too many layers on this roof. So we're going to go ahead and measure this out and get a replacement quote for it. And then we'll pass this along to the realtor and the potential homeowner, and just make sure everyone's understanding the current condition. Thank you.